we need to learn to speak the language of the nervous system. And the nervous system really thrives in predictability and slowness. And so, unfortunately, we've been done a real disservice in certain personal development environments that are really about exposure therapy and really snap people so massively out of their comfort zone. People scream like, everything you want in life is outside your comfort zone, which is totally true. And busting through the wall of our comfort zone is actually not the safest, healthiest, most sustainable way to get it. It's actually titration. So titration means doing just a little bit, like baby steps. It means doing a little bit, re-regulating, and then doing a little bit more, and then re-regulating, so that you don't go into what is very common financially, which is expand, collapse.